how to turn on or turn off Dolby Atmos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. After click on Sound and Vibration, scroll down and click on Sound Quality and Effects. After click on Sound Quality and Effects, so click on, you will see first option is Dolby Atmos is here. So if you want to turn off Dolby Atmos, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Dolby Atmos is turn off. So if you want to turn on Dolby Atmos, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Dolby Atmos is turn on. So you will turn on or turn on Dolby Atmos from here. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Dolby Atmos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.